play a little bit with Hermes AI tool. Hello and welcome back, future network engineers. Hello everyone, this is Mo here, and I'm here today to play a little bit with Hermes AI tool. It's an AI agent that you actually can use for multiple tasks that you can actually deliver to any of your network devices over the internet, over the network. If you're connected over a VPN, doesn't matter where you are. If you have an access to this network or this remote network, you can always control it with this agent, the AI agent that we have here today. Today we're talking about Hermes, and Hermes is actually one of the greatest AI agents that we have came across in the market. It's just very unique with its memory. You can do a lot of things with it. So basically what we're going to be doing today, because I don't want to really make this video too long, I'm going to experience with you the ability on delivering any Ansible, any Python scripts that can actually run through your agent, and it can actually go and do some or perform some tasks on your behalf. So let's get into it and see what's going on here. So today I do have a small network that basically runs on my testing environment. So this is a VPC network switching that is happening on the top layer of my network. It delivers VLAN 10, and VLAN 10 is basically going all the way down to our target router that we're going to be used. This is our router here. It's called HQ colocation. So if I show interface, show IP interface brief, I can see that I'm actually pulling an IP address from that network. And what we're going to do now is that we are going to connect to our remote site, our TFTP server, and see how connection is basically happening to our from our agent to our network. And I'm just going to delete that because that was just for testing and just wanted to see what's going on here. So I'm going to bring our agent up live. I'm just going to call it Donga. So just in case anyone is wondering what I'm talking about here. So Donga now is going to reply back to me, and he's going to let me know that he's alive. All right, cool, he is. So now can you connect to our NX OS router? So he's going to now check and see if he can get some conductivity between himself and our target router that we're going to be performing this task on it today. So just waiting here. It's amazing, it's taking a little bit longer than what I expected. Perfect. Connected. Can you take a backup and put it on my remote server? On my remote TFTP server. All right, let's see what happens now. So now Hermes is basically just pulling all the information he needs. He's brainstorming itself, and we'll see now all the information. Now the backup is just getting ready. And Hermes is basically going to start logging into the server, logging to the router, and is now running backup. You can see the backup is going to just come here shortly. You guys can see that here. Now, just going to fast forward this so that we can see what's going on in fast mode. Now, okay, now the backup's coming. You can see here the backup's coming. All right, so there's a .cfg, which definitely is coming from our router. So let's examine this file and just make sure that it's coming from our router. And sure enough, it's the host name, HQ colocation. So let's actually make sure that this is right. You can see it actually here. So it's already here, but I'm just going to show run section host name just to make sure that I'm not dreaming. And sure enough, HQ colocation is showing up here. All right, guys, that was just a short video for doing a very small task. Obviously, you can multiply that. You can always connect to hundreds of routers. Depends on your network speed, depends on your AI agent memory.